I go to war, you must all agree with me that we will go to war. Because, you know, it will be the end of our civilization. They just tell me. If we go to war, we go to war. If we die, we all die. If we are defeated, which is really... Now, can America save us? Is America ready to go to war? Pag pinaputok ko yung isang barko dyan, the missiles would be like, it will rain on us. Is America ready to? Sabihin mo, if I go now to the Spratly Islands or whatever, paputokan ko ng, sabihin ko sa Navy, basagin mo yung isang barko nila or maritime itong Coast Guard nila. Pag sumabog yan,